Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace engine air filter on 2013 Ford Taurus 3.5 liter. This applies to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Engine air filter box is located right here. So what you want to do, you want to remove this cover so you can access the filter which is underneath. To start, you'll want to remove these two metal clips on this side, so just push it towards the left side. There is one more back there. You can do the same thing with this one. Then you will want to loosen up these flat screws so you can pull the cover off of this plastic piece. So like I said, don't remove this flat screw all the way, just loosen it up enough so you can move this metal thingy to the unlock position like this, see? And then you'll be able to pull this cover off this plastic. Okay, once you have this piece in the unlock position, you will want to lift onto this side of the cover and push it towards this side. So like I said, lift it up and push it there, because there are three plastic clips still on this side which are in these holes down here, if you can see. I'll try to zoom it in. So only way to remove this cover is to push it towards that side, and now you have enough access to pull this part off of this actual rubber piece here. Okay, and this is what you will get. So easy access to the complete air filter once you remove the old one, and before installing the new one, the same way, you will want to really clean this box from the inside so there is no any debris or junk inside. And once it's nice and clean, just install the new air filter and put everything back together. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.